This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily change your Xbox One gamertag. And what you want to do is go up to your profile right here, or press the Xbox button, go on over your profile, and then go to My Profile. Then on the bottom right here, we want to go to Customize Profile. Now we can see our entire profile. And my name is currently highlighted. We want to go over this and then select A. And then we can change our gamertag on here. Now it says Xbox has expanded the range of possible gamertags and languages. You can choose just about anything you want now. So this is my current gamertag, and then I can type in a new one right here. Now you're going to have to check for availability in the bottom left. So I just typed in a new gamertag, and it has to be 12 characters or less. Now you can change your gamertag right here. Otherwise you can customize a classic gamertag. So just come to this section and you should be good to go with your gamertag change, and then it will take effect relatively quickly. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.